So the beginning part of this video is basically just me sketching before getting into actually adding more permanent materials to the 2D still life drawing that is going to be project 1 for this unit. I spend a decent amount of time just sketching with pencil the still life that I've set up in front of me. I think that's really important before you get into using the more permanent stuff. And I get right into it. I start using marker, and I begin with the darker marker to kind of give it a range of value as I'm working. I pretty much use the marker and then the crayon, obviously, because you can't use marker on top of crayon very easily. I continue to work on this and add colors. I kind of work with one item at a time before moving on to the next. Here I am drawing the paintbrush out of the coffee cup. And as you can tell, I move the paper around in a 360 fashion just because I find it easier to work in that way. I can move the paper however I need to get the right angle when I'm applying the medium to the material. I spent a decent amount of time adding color and details to the cat specifically. I did all of that before adding any background color, which is something that I did very last, as you'll end up seeing. And all of these items that I chose for the still life are all items that are special to me and mean something to me or represent myself in a certain way. The apples because I'm going to be a teacher, the paintbrush because I consider myself an artist. I'm an avid coffee drinker, that's why I chose the coffee cup. And the cat little sculpture I chose because I'm an animal lover, and I thought that the cat had a lot of color and design that I could add into the still life, giving it a little bit more of something special to look at. You can tell in the video at this point I have a lot more color on the page. With this project, although I'm just going to be using crayon and marker and initially pencil, I don't think paint's necessary. I think that you can achieve a complete looking drawing with just those materials. I don't think you need paint or anything else. It's just the way that you utilize them. I do, for my piece, it has sort of a sketchy quality. That's just the way that I work, but I made a point to color the background and color pretty much all over the whole page so that it would look finished. And I tried to do a range of value because there were a little bit of shadows when I had the still life set up, and I tried to show those in the drawing, which is something that I'll encourage with this project. I'll have lights set up so that they will have shadows. That's the plan, at least. Here I am beginning on the background. And basically the rest of this video is just me coloring in and adding some last details to the drawing, but that continue to watch to see the finished product.